Hello everyone. Are you eager to explore the world of digital products and boost your income? You are in for a treat. In this video, we will guide you through the simple steps of creating an affiliate account on Digistore24. Stay tuned to discover new possibilities. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So here we are, guys, on the Digistore 27, 24, official website. So now here we are, and what you have to do simply to start the affiliates program, you can go either to the bottom of the page or you can go to the top of the page. So here we go. Here you will find the main menu. So as you can see, here you'll find the affiliates. Make sure to click on it. And here, advertise once cash in on autopilot. So what I'm going to do is simply start now. So click on this button and register on Digistore24 sign up. So here I'm going to give a public name. So for example, Lollipop. Here we go. Here, like, this is like a username. Here the password. Here I'm gonna make like, give me some random password here. So I'm going to get a random word generator or random password, and I will just get it and be right back. So here we are, guys. I've pitted my password. Then what is your main source of revenue? So I'm a vendor, primarily sell my own products. I'm an affiliate, primarily promote the product of other vendors. Then click here, continue, and now you have to fill these informations. So here, title, Mr., Mrs., name, last name, etc. You have to go through all of that step by step. So let's start with the title, which is, for example, Mr. Lowly. Here, let's fill this automatically. Here they will take me back. There was some error over there. So let's do this real quick here and here. Continue. Here I'm going to just fill it without the automatic thing. So Lowly. Here Lope. Here the company name is gonna be, for example, Lowly Ltd. The address, it can be anything in your mind. So we can simply get a fake address from this website as an example. So here we go. I'm going to put it here. I'm going to leave this beside. The zip code is this one. The city is New York. So here we go. And for this, we can put it over here. The state is New York, so NY. Here the country, we can choose the US. And finally here we have changed everything. Here we must put our phone number. So let's do this real quick. And here we have to add our Telegram ID or phone or Skype name. So let's do that as well. So here I'm going to put, for example, add lollylop and then register for free now. So here, for reasons, we cannot accept customers from Morocco. So now they have accepted my registration, but since I'm from Morocco, they will not accept me. In case you had the same problem, you can use this VPN, which is Hola VPN. I'm going now to change my connection into the US. And right after that, I will get accepted real quick. So here I've put it everything from the beginning till the end. As the US IP, I will not get rejected. So I'll be back right after I do it. So here we go. Congratulations, you have successfully created an account. So now let me just go to my inbox. So let's go to the Gmail account, click here, click on this link to activate my account. So now I have to paste here the password for my account. So let's do this. And just like that, guys, you will be creating your first account on the Digistore24. So now how we can actually start the affiliate program, how it works, the features, everything is explained to you over here. So first thing is, the first step is to register, which we have done. The second thing is select a product from the marketplace. So they have already a marketplace for you to choose from. So here it is, and you can find all the commissions that you are going to get. For example, this is like a product that you can sell for around like the person is going to sell it for around I don't know, 68, and you are going to get around 87 of the commission. Here there is 210, 23, 104. So there is bunch of products that you are actually being capable of getting using this marketplace. So you don't really have to search for any product. This is the popularity of the product, and these are the earnings that you are going to get. So for example, this one you are going to get $93 for one person. For each person that are this is going to actually buy this product, you are going to get this amount of money, which is 93. So imagine if you advertised for about $50 a day and five people got into the link and bought it. Imagine how much money you are going to get just from getting five people a day, which is at least $500 per day for only $50 that you are going to spend on advertising for this link and this product. So it is a very useful thing to do. Here there is some kind of filter that you can use. For example, you are not interested in selling products, you are interested in selling services. So you can go here and search for subscriptions and click on search. So this is a subscription that you can get. This is a 33% life commission. So lifetime commission is simply once this person started the subscription on their website, until they stop the subscription, you will not stop earning money. So each month they subscribe, you will keep getting money through their subscription, and you will get around $500. The commission is so low and the popularity is so high. So these are all products that you can go for if you are interested in. These are some categories in case you were really uh, into like the details of the details. So here are each category alone, and in case you want, for example, to promote for anything, you can simply click here to promote. And for those who are mistaken, let's say for example, how do we earn the money exactly? Here they explain everything. The person doesn't really have to buy so you can get the money. You can just buy only if a person went to the carts, so cart visitor, you will get $5. It is as simple as that. So here in per sale, you will get 500 created, for example, here when this offer was created, the commission. So these details are actually on every single product. So here's single payment. Let's search. So for example, this one. So in case the visitor went to the cart, you will earn $0.92. In case the person actually bought it, you will get 29. In case they kept buying from it, you will get around 14.80 net profit without any losses. So now, for example, I want to promote for this product. You can click on promote now. And since you will be having an account, all you need to do is just log in, and then they will give you a link that you can promote using that link for this product. And just like that, you got started in Digistore24, and you can simply now start affiliating for the product on this website. So thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.